Hi, my name is Julie, and I'm a dog mom and mom to a busy toddler. And my parents were looking for a lightweight folding cart that would make it easier to move boxes, supplies, and heavier items without having to carry everything by hand, and found this folding hand truck. The first thing they noticed is how incredibly lightweight it is. A lot of utility carts can be bulky and awkward to move around when they're not being used, but this one is easy to pick up, store, and transport. It doesn't feel cumbersome at all. And despite being lightweight and compact, it feels surprisingly sturdy when loaded. It gives you the convenience of a portable folding cart without feeling flimsy. One of their favorite design features is the handle. It's very simple to raise and lower, and the adjustable height makes it comfortable for different users. There aren't any complicated latches or mechanisms to fight with, and it extends quickly when you need it and folds back down just as easily when you're done. Another feature they really appreciate is how compact it becomes when folded. It takes up very little storage space, so it's easy to keep in the trunk of a car, a closet, garage, or a utility room without it getting in the way. And speaking of folding, one feature that really sets this cart apart is the ability to completely fold the handle down flat. That creates a larger, flat surface on top, which makes it much easier to transport oversized items that might not fit neatly within the footprint of the cart. It's one of those little design details that ends up being surprisingly useful. The included bungee straps are another nice bonus. When you're moving boxes, bags, or awkward items, having straps included means you can secure everything in place and move it with more confidence. It's nice not having to purchase those separately, and the storage bag is another thoughtful detail. But if there's one feature my parents talk about the most, it's the wheels. The 4 swivel wheels rotate in every direction and glide incredibly smoothly. Whether they're navigating through a garage, around furniture, through a parking lot, or into an elevator, the cart moves effortlessly. It doesn't feel like you're dragging it behind you or struggling to make turns. The wheels make it super easy to maneuver in tight spaces and around corners. Overall, my parents have been really impressed with how practical and easy this cart is to use. Between the lightweight design, smooth rolling wheels, adjustable handle, included straps, and the ability to fold the handle completely flat for larger items, it's become one of those tools they find themselves reaching for all the time. So if you're looking for a folding hand truck that's lightweight, compact, easy to maneuver, and surprisingly versatile, I highly recommend this one.